Today we're looking at DJI's newest addition to the Mavic family, the Mavic Mini. Let's take a look inside. Now the size and weight of this body was intentional. At 249 grams, that places this drone in the least regulated safety category as far as drones are concerned. So in other words, in areas where an Inspire or a Mavic Pro or a Mavic 2 might be restricted, you may be able to fly this there depending on the restriction. Whoa, this thing is tiny. Compare it to a Mavic 2, we're looking at about half the size lengthwise. Width, we're pretty similar, maybe a little bit smaller, but it feels to be about a quarter of the weight. Now the Mini is meant for closer proximity. It can't fly as far as its bigger brothers. It does, however, have the same battery life as the other Mavic, so about 30 minutes. It sports a 12 megapixel sensor, but it's restricted to JPEG only. No RAW shooting with this body. As far as the video goes, it can go up to 2.7K at 25 or 30 frames per second. Slow motion at 1080p up to 60 frames a second. This is by far the easiest DJI drone to operate. In fact, the controls have been simplified to auto settings only when it comes to exposure in video mode. In photo mode, however, you can change ISO and shutter speeds in manual mode. The way the battery system works on the standalone system is a little different. You actually charge it by plugging it into the body. I would recommend, however, getting the Fly More combo. Along with a case and some prop guards, this gives you a hub with 3 batteries that can all charge at the same time. Even if you don't get the Fly More combo, I would recommend at least getting an extra battery. 30 minutes of flight time goes by pretty quickly, especially when you factor in outbound and return flight times. So if you're used to flying a bigger drone, the specs on this might feel a little limiting, but the whole idea around this is just a lightweight version you can toss into any bag, have a lot of fun with. To learn more about the Mavic Mini, click on the link below.